Okay, this is for the tester complimentary, yeah?
Yes.
This one ginseng coffee. Good for energy. Coconut coffee. Good for skin and hair treatment.
Good for sleep.
Skin and hair treatment. Mochaccino coffee mixed with the chocolate. Vanilla coffee for relax instant. For relaxation. Bali coffee good for headache. For migraine. Hot chocolate only pure cocoa. Avocado coffee good for antioxidant. Mangosteen tea good for cholesterol. Curcuma and saffron tea good for immune system and for stomach problem. This one, the rosella, good for blood circulation. Ginger tea good for sore throat. This one, red rice tea, good for the bones. And this is the last, the lemon